Today I'm going to show you how to make a cake for celebrations, delicious chocolate biscuit cake. I'm Fiona, welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. Kids all love chocolate biscuit cake, it's great for a special occasion. So first of all I got a half packet of the ginger nut biscuits, then I get about a 400 gram pack of digestives, give it a good bash with the rolling pin, and then empty it in. It's not one of my healthy recipes, but it's a nice sweet treat. So break up some of the larger pieces. You don't want it too small. Then we're going to add in some crunchies. So it's 2 full bars of crunchies. These are kind of the mini snack size. And some cocoa powder. Mix all of your dry ingredients together. If you find some biscuit pieces that are too big, just break them up with your fingers. We have our dry ingredients mixed here. Then we're going to add in our butter and our golden syrup, which have melted together. And then we will add in our chocolate, which is melted in a bowl over hot water. There's a mixture of milk chocolate and a little dark chocolate. I'm going to stir to combine. And then you pour all of the mixture into the tin. And then you press it into the tin. You need to make sure you have baking parchment down at the bottom and on the sides of the tin, unless it's one of these easy open ones, because it will stick. So press it all in really, really well. And there you have your chocolate biscuit cake. Pop it into the fridge for at least 4 hours to chill and set, and then I can show you how to decorate. First of all, you want to get it out of the tin. So you can run the knife around a nice tin like this with the sides loosen. If you have, say, a loaf tin that's a little bit more difficult, if you sit it, hopefully you've lined it, so that'll make it easier. If you haven't, if you sit it in a little bit of hot water, and it'll just kind of melt the chocolate a little bit, and then you'll be able to get it out. So we'll turn it out, remove paper. Now, a very simple way to decorate it would be to sprinkle some flake on top. You could cover it in white icing, all sorts of different ways. And then you simply run whatever colour ribbon you like around the back. Hold it in with a little pin. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to make a tasty chocolate biscuit cake. Please subscribe below, like and leave your comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And why not check out my other videos on making pastry or making delicious power bars. Thanks, I'll see you soon.